While unboxing the generator, I had to figure out a way to hook the generator up to my Hoyer lift. I used an old strap with a hook tied to it and a 4-way chain I used to use for an old punching bag. See if this works. Try that. Come on, baby, pick it up. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Well, this might be a little difficult. I've got these, for the wheels, got these little pins. These pins, but they have like a Carter pin that locks it on there, so, and it's on the back side of the wheel, so may have to get some help with that one, but all we can do is try. Let's see what I can do. Might be hard even getting that pin out to get started, but hang on, let's get rid of some of this stuff. Yeah, it took me a minute to open that box and get all these little parts out, but and I wish this would come up higher. It's still kind of low. This might be really hard getting that pin out. See if I can push it on something hard over here. Okay, we got it off, but I know I won't be able to get it back on. Well, I should say that. I don't believe I can. Let's put it together. Let's just see what happens anyway. I gotta try to keep my hand on the back of this to keep that pin from falling out and line it up. Don't tell me I did it backwards. I did it backwards. Dang it. This goes towards the inside to keep the wheel out away. Doggone. Now we got the wheel the right way. Let's just see if I can get it back on there again. Whew! I got it. Okay, let's try this one. Got it. Whew. What a pain. Hello, well, it's another day. It's raining and cold, so we're inside the garage with everything closed up. I had to charge up my batteries and think of a way how I was going to mount on, I'm going to call it the foot of the generator. It goes up to the bottom. So I think I got an idea. Let's give it a shot and see what happens. We're going to get her lifted up. That's pretty close on the one hole. Let's see. Right there, it looks like. Ah! The tricky part's gonna be trying to thread this bolt through there. Oh, so close. Got it. Wow, got it. Huh? So, see if I can get this one. Oh, it's right underneath the motor. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Darn it. I got a magnet that might be able to hold the bolt. Maybe. This is my little reacher that helps me get sockets and stuff out of the drawer. But, it might work. on, baby. I got it in the top hole, but this generator's leaning. It's not quite in the foot. I gotta try to lower it and see if it'll go on there. This is the foot right here at the bottom that I'm putting on, and there's the 2 bolts, one right there and one right there. I had tried putting shipping tape, or the tape you close up boxes, to try to tape the bolts pointing up from the foot, but they just wouldn't hold. So anyway, now I got to get the bolts, the nuts on each of these bolts. We'll see. Hopefully there's enough tension against the bolt that it won't spin so much, just to get it started, and then I can use wrench. Okay, I'm back. I got frustrated starting and stopping the camera every time I dropped the nut or the wrench or even the camera twice. So anyway, what I did was I took the bolts out. I took one out first, and I put it from the bottom. I got an extension. Hang on. I got an extension and put the bolt in the socket up above, and it actually held it sticking up nice and tight. Oh, it's probably too dark, but I was able to screw the nuts on that way. What a pain. It took me forever, but persistence wins. I got it. Okay, it's the next morning. I got the foot on last night, and one of the wheels I was able to put the keeper pin in, the other one I won't be able to. But anyway, I charged the battery last night, and just now plugged the 2 wires together for the battery, for the power source. Now I'm gonna fill it up with oil and hook a propane bottle up to it and see if I can get it running. Beep.